Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today I will be featuring our spider plant. Ayan, so I only have one spider plant in my apartment and I am planning of growing or propagating more of these indoor plants. So kung mapapansin niyo, medyo parang lumaylay na yung kanyang leaves. So usually ang leaves dapat ng spider plant is medyo ganyan siya. But sa ngayon, medyo soft na siya. And it is an indication na kailangan na nating diligan yung ating spider plant. So sa akin, hinihintay ko muna na ganito na yung itsura ng ating spider plant. Pag talagang bumaba na siya ng ganyan, that's the only time I water it. Kasi pag nasobrahan tayo ng pag-water sa ating spider plant, they will definitely have a root rot and eventually kill yung ating mga spider plants. So usually I water them every 2 weeks or 3 weeks or sometimes every month. Depende na lang sa season. So ngayon kasi is parang summer pa dito sa China. Medyo mainit, so I need to water yung ating spider plant every 2 to 3 weeks. Ayan. So very very stable na itong aking spider plant. And ito yung before natin siyang diligan, and later ipapakita ko sa inyo yung after naman natin siyang diligan. So I really don't have yung parang garden sa Pilipinas or outdoor garden sa Pilipinas na I just have to water it here directly. So usually pag nagwa-water ako ng mga plants ko, talagang pinapasok ko sila doon sa ating bathroom area kasi doon ko sila dinidiligan. I cannot really water it here. Makita nyo yan, makita nyo naman, diba? Nasa loob siya ng ating apartment kasi this one is really a very good na indoor plant. Ayan. So, let's go sa ating bathroom area. So, yung ginagamit ko is plain tap water lang. Mas maganda sana kung rainwater, pero syempre, as you know, hindi naman natin pwedeng ilabas yung ating mga spider plants. Wala tayong area na talagang nauulanan. So, ito lang ginagawa ko. Pati yung mga leaves talagang binabasa akong ganyan, para yung mga dust na nakakapit sa kanya is mawala. So I will be soaking it here for hindi natin siya kailangang i-bottom watering. Talagang pag nadiligan siya, tapos mag-drain yung tubig out of the pot, that's already enough. So kung makikita ninyo, ganyan yung itsura niya after natin siyang madiligan. So after a few hours, unti-unti na siyang babalik sa kanyang form ulit. Ayan, so after watering, ganito yung magiging itsura ng ating spider plant. Since basa yung kanyang leaves, talagang nagdidikit-dikit sila and para siyang nalantana, diba? But after a few hours and even after 1 day, pag natuyo na yung leaves niya, unti-unti yung tataas ng ganyan ulit. And later, ipapakita ko sa inyo, or after a while, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya. So make sure na well draining yung inyong potting mix para hindi magkaroon ng root rot issues yung inyong mga spider plants. Ayan. After watering, ganyan na yung kanyang itsura. So usually, napansin ko, it will take about 1 or 2 days before tumayo ulit yung kanyang mga leaves. So yun yung hihintayin natin pag nag-dry na siya. After 5 days, ito na nga yung update ng ating spider plant after natin siyang diligan. So, before natin siya diligan, nung time na dehydrated pa siya, pa ganyan yung kanyang leaves, diba? Tapos hindi ganito, how do you call this one? Yung very, parang palanta na yung kanyang leaves. But after natin siyang diligan, as you can see, diba? Yung ibang leaves niya talagang very firm na yung kanyang leaves. Pataas na rin yung iba. Ayan, no, this one is the thickest. Ito na siguro yung thickest na spider plant. Parang 1 inch yung lapad niya. Yung dahon ng spider plant na yan. Ayan, so ganyan lang ulit. Hintay lang natin siya na mag-show signs of underwatering. Siguro after 1 week or 2 weeks, it will start na magiging ganyan ulit. So parang mapapansin nyo naman talaga parang mawawalan siya ng buhay. And that's a sign na we need to water it once again. So yun lang yung pag-water ko ng aking spider plant. I have here ito mga maliliit na spiderets niya ready for propagation ulit. So nagpropagate na tayo ng spider plants before, and mga bagong batch of spiderets itong mga nakikita ninyo dito na pwede na natin siyang i-cut and i-plant ulit. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.